Looking for a way to organize your desk while keeping your devices charged? The DAC Stax monitor stand offers a smart solution with two built-in USB charging ports conveniently located on one of its leg blocks. This means you can power up your phone or tablet right at your workspace without hunting for outlets or tangled cords. What makes this stand truly stand out is its height-adjustable design. With 3 levels to choose from, you can position your monitor so your eyes naturally look slightly downward at the screen's center. This ergonomic setup helps reduce neck strain and eye fatigue, making long hours at your desk much more comfortable. The unique triangle shape of the DAC Stax maximizes your desk space, giving you room to store laptops, printers, or even game consoles underneath. It supports monitors weighing up to 66 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for most setups. Plus, it's made from 30% recycled plastic, reflecting a commitment to sustainability without compromising quality. One important detail: the 2 USB ports are designed strictly for charging. They don't support data transfer, which protects your computer from potential security risks. You can arrange the leg block in any configuration that fits your workspace best, keeping your devices within easy reach while they charge. A top review from the U.S. highlights the real-world benefits. A user's wife improved her posture thanks to the stand's adjustable height, and she enjoys charging her phone right on her desk. Despite minor packaging damage, the purchase was praised for its value and convenience, proving it's worth every penny. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a practical, eco-friendly monitor stand that keeps your devices powered and your posture healthy, the DAC Stax is worth a look. It's more than just a stand. It's a workspace organizer designed to simplify your daily routine. Try the DAC Stax monitor stand when you're ready to experience a cleaner desk and less neck strain. With its durable build and thoughtful features, it offers exactly what you need to work smarter, not harder.